Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. Can I just... But we've been distant.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another interesting video. So today we are going to be doing something entirely simple and easy to do, that is Bantu knot. So guys, I am using just one pack of Brazilian wool, which I didn't even finish at the end of the day, and I parted my hair into 10 sections, and this is me literally doing knotless box braid because I didn't want to use rubber band or anything like gel. I just wanted to use my natural hair, if you get what I'm trying to say, if that makes sense. So this is me just braiding my hair like knotless braids, if you get what I'm trying to do. And that is literally all I did for the entire 10 sections. At a point I was literally braiding at the beginning to where my hair stopped before twisting, because I didn't want my hair bugging out, if that makes sense. At the front, I went ahead to use an edge control. That is literally all I used, like for the front parts of my hair, because I want the edges to at least look sleek. This is actually an hairstyle I did without anything like gel or any other type of gel you use to sleek the parts. I wasn't concerned about slicking the parts. My concern was actually trying to achieve the hairstyle, which I have never done before, and I am happy I was able to do something that actually makes it come out so nice. And this is me wrapping the hair. All you have to do is just wrap the hair around and you get your Bantu knot. I was very scared because it was kind of like hard to figure out. So this is me just doing it, the front part, and this is what it's looking like so far. So what you want to do is wrap the hair strand around the root of the hair, and that is it, guys. This is what it looks like. And I also went ahead to spice things up. I actually had like some extension left, so this is actually a different color from the color of Brazilian where I used. And voila.
It's easier said than done when it feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on. Maybe reason.
So guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look. This is the Bantu knot we just made, and I am loving every bit of it. I love the spice I added to it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. See you in my next one. Bye.